Duh.
Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we will be going to see about the dictionary type. Let's go. And dictionary means what? The dictionary is an unordered collection that contains key value pairs separated by commas inside curly brackets. It is telling that we will be having curly braces like this, and we will be having key value pairs, that is key 1 and something called value 1. This is one pair, as you can see, which is separated by colon, means it is called as key value pair. And this key values pair will be separated by commas like this, key 2 and colon and something called value 2 also. You can see guys, key value pairs are separated by commas mentioned inside the curly braces, means it is called as dictionary. Whatever you mention key value pairs in the curly braces separated by commas, it will be going to called as dictionary. And the left side of colon is a key and the right side is a value, means it is telling that this before the colon it is called as key, after the colon it will be called as value. And the key should be unique, means it is telling that key should be unique, means you can't have duplicate ones. You can have duplicate ones, but it will be considering only one occurrence of the key. And another point is the key must be immutable object, means it is telling that key must be considered as immutable object, means in the place of key you can use immutable object, like you can use string or else tuple, as we discussed immutable object in previous classes. Okay. And how can we declare the empty dictionary, and how can we declare the means int key string value, something like this? Let me show with the example. Let me create new file, that is Control N, and I am saving this on desktop. And our Python course, it is now 9th program right now, so I am saving as 9th program. Okay, now done, it is saved as 9th program on the desktop. So guys, now let me delete this. Yeah, I am telling about the practical example. So I am mentioning something, I am choosing a variable called something d only, d equal to something. Okay, this is an empty dictionary because I am not mentioning anything inside the curly braces. Let me check what type of data type it is. So I am passing print and I am using type function, and in that I am passing the variable called d. Let us check what type of data it is. It is telling that it will be called as falling under the class dictionary. So you can declare the empty dictionary as curly braces, or else you will be having another method called as dict, that is constructor method, that is dict dict, and you can simply mention this round brackets. It is a constructor method. You can use this method, or else you can use simply curly braces to declare empty dictionary. When I run this, you can see again it is showing the same class, that is dictionary class only. So that is the empty dictionary we can initialize. And how can we initialize with the values and key value pairs? You can use simply like this. Let me show something called, yeah, okay, something we have called as d equal to, I am declaring with the key value pairs. I am choosing something int as a key value, integer. In the place of key I am using integer, and in the place of the value I am using string type, that is 1. You can see in the place of key I am using integer data type, and in the place of value I am using string data type. You can use vice versa, or else you can use anything in the place of key or in the place of value. But once you can only remember that key must be an immutable object. Only remember that point, and you can use any type of data type in the place of key and value. So I am passing 1 and 1, and okay, another data 2, another key and value pair, that is 2. Yeah, okay, and I am printing the type of data type and also printing the dictionary. You can see guys, when I run this, you can see it is falling under the class dictionary, and the output has been shown as 1 and 2. So simply you can use like these curly braces to initialize the key value pairs, or else you can use constructor method also. I will be showing. Consider this as first method, and So guys, we also have another method called that is dict method, that is constructor method. So how can we use that dictionary method as a assigning to the key value pairs? Let's see. So I am using dict, that is constructor method. And how can we pass key value pairs in this round braces? Means you can simply use this something called one, and I am assigning something. It consider this as key, and after that key I am assigning some value to it, that is called as 1, and I am separated by commas, and I am passing another key, that is 2, and I am passing the value, and I am using another key, that is 3, and I am passing the value as 3. As you can see guys, separated by commas, and we will be having key equal to something value 1. You can consider this one as key 1 and this one as value 1, and this 2 as key 2 and 2 as value 2, so on like this. Okay, so when I run this program, you can see what is the output. You can see it is falls under the class dictionary only till now, and it will be having something called key 1 as a string data type, and 1, that is value, that is considered as integer data type. Okay, so we have seen right now string and integer data type like a key value pair. So here some are the valid cases, means you can use these something called int key and string value. Means here we are using the key as an integer data type and the value as string value. Okay, and in the next example we will be going to use float key and the value present in the float key, that is string value. Okay, we are using vice versa, I mean different data types as key and different data type as value. Okay, but remember that you can't use key as a mutable object, means you cannot use the list as a key, as that what I mean, I'm telling that only. See, you can see here another example, so that is we having called a equal to something dictionary, that is we will be having list as a key 2 4 6 8 and colon, that is value called even, and something odd. However, a dictionary with a list as a key is not valid as the list is mutable. So let me run this example also. You can see the difference. I am deleting this, and I am having a variable called a equal to, and in the curly braces I'm right now accessing the values as okay, I'm passing the list, that is 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, and these are I'm something naming as even. I am passing key as a list and value as a string data type. Okay, and I am passing another key value pair, that is list another key 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. Okay, and I am passing value to as odd numbers like this, odd. Okay, I'm just simply initializing key as a list and a value as a string data type. Okay, so when I run this, let me remove this type because it is falls under the this is D, and okay, I am removing the type because it will be falling under dictionary data type only. So when I run this program, you can see the output something, it is showing that error, that is unhashable type list, means we cannot use key as a list. So to avoid that error, you can use simply tuple here, means replace the square brackets with something called round brackets. Okay, I'm removing square brackets, I'm now typing round braces. So I'm changing the key as a list type data type to tuple data type. So when I run this program, now it will be going to show the output, because here we have present key as a immutable object. In previous case the list was mutable object, that is why it will be going to show the error. Okay, and but a list can be used as a value. It is telling that key doesn't contain list data type, but value can be considered as list. Means let me show with an example. Means I am changing the key to the value, value to the key. You will get it, wait a minute, like this. Just simply I am changing the key to the value, value to the key, that's it. Yeah, I have done this some small changes. Now you can see guys, I am changed the key as an string data type, you can see here, and the value as something called list. I said in the previous example keys should be only immutable object, but you can use list mutable object as a value. Okay, let me run this example. Now you can see it will be not showing any error because we have used immutable object in the place of key only. Okay, value will be considered as mutable or immutable as your wish. That is what it is telling. A list can be used as a value. That was we were seeing. So the same key cannot appear more than once in a collection. Means it is telling that, suppose guys we have, let me remove this example. Yeah, I have called any1 like this, something you can see, and the key, another key value pair, and another key value pair. Yeah guys, you can see I am initialized with 3 values, that is 3 key value pairs, that is 1 2 3. Okay, when I run this program you can see simply the output as like this 1 2 3. Okay, there is nothing. Okay, what was I am telling, that if I consist of same element repeated in the like this, means suppose I have 1 here also and 1 here also, means we will be having presenting 2 key value pairs as same, means we will be repeating 2 keys, here also 1, here also 1. Then what will be going to dictionary will be going to do, means it will be going to consider only this value, means it considers first this 2 and ignores this one, and it will be considered as this. Okay, when I run this program you can see output something 132, means you can see, wait a minute, let me adjust. Yeah guys, see this one has been removed from the dictionary and this one has been considered in the dictionary, means exact what point it is telling, that if the key appears more than once only the last will be retained. Then what is the last in the dictionary? This one only now, means when I remove something called, change this 1 to something called 2, then it will be going to remove this and considers this. Okay, let me run, you can easily understand right now. Okay, 1 has been displayed, again the second 2 value has been removed from the dictionary and it will be considering the last occurrence of the key. Okay, last one will be retained. That's what I am saying. The value can be of any data type, one value can be assigned to more than one key. Okay, like this you can consider this example also. And coming to the next part, accessing dictionary values. As you guys know, how can access string elements, string values, or list tuple? Using indexing you can use simply access the values. So coming to the dictionary part, how can you access the dictionary values? But you cannot use here square brackets, like, means you can use square brackets, but in that case you can use only the key as a index value. You cannot use index. Let me show with an example. Suppose I have a value dictionary called something, let us take previous example only. Yeah, I have this example right now. So if I want to display this as an my output in a previous list or tuple, you will be going to simply use call the variable and use square brackets. It means it will present at 0 index. So when I pass this 0 here, it will be going to display. So let me check whether it will be working fine or not in the case of dictionary. So when I run this, it is telling that key error. Okay, so how can you access the key elements? Means you can use here, see, 1 2 3, your value is called 1 2 3 only. So whenever you want to display the value, so simply you must specify in the square brackets as key, means you can have only one like this. So when I run this, you can see the output as 1 has been displayed. Okay, it will be somewhat confusing. Let me take another example. Let me remove this. I'm considering another example like this. C programming. simply I'm taking two key value pairs only, and another PS Python programming. See guys, I have created another dictionary. In the dictionary, the key value pair is considered as string only. I am passing. So when I run this output, that is a of 1, it will be going to show the error. What error? It will be showing that key error. So how can we access the dictionary elements? You simply put key in the square brackets, not the index value. So what we have key values here? We have only C and P. Okay, whenever I put something here called as C, you can right now see the output as C programming. Means in the square brackets you must specify the key. Means you must specify key, that then only it will be going to display the output as value. So it is also key is case sensitive. So in the place of small c, if I use capital C, whether the capital C present in our dictionary, so the answer is no. So when I run this output, you can see again key error. It will be showing the key error because it is not present in our dictionary. So how can we access the dictionary elements? You can now answer the question. Means you must specify the key in the place of index, that is in the place of square, in between square brackets you must specify the key as an value, then only it will be going to show the output. Means you can see this is wrong way and this is right way. You can also choose this example also. And coming to the next part, yeah, use the get method to retrieve the keys value even if keys are not known. Means guys, okay, let me show with example. Yeah, so whenever I am using this print statement, it is going to show the error now. So to avoid this error, you can use simply called get method. Means how can we use that get method? Remove this. We have dictionary called named as variable A, and I'm putting dot. I'm calling the function called get, that is get and round braces. So suppose I want to know the value of something called C. Means what will be going to show the output as what is the value presented this key, that is C programming. So when I run this program, you can see C programming has been displayed as output. So what is the difference between previous one and this one? Means in previous one, if the key is not present, it will be going to show the error. So in this case, it will be not showing the error. Let me try. See, I am passing capital C because capital C is not present in the dictionary now. So when I run this program, then it will be going to show nothing. I mean it will be going to show none, and it will be not going to show the error. Means it will be going to execute and it will be not showing the error, but it can be displayed as none. Okay, that is the main difference between the get and normal method. So it returns none if the key does not exist instead of raising an error, because we have tried this and it shows the error as key is not present. When I try get method, it doesn't throw any error but displays none. Okay, and coming to the next part, how can we update dictionary? Means to update a value of key, you can use simply this method like this. So let me show with an example. Suppose we have called a list called a variable name a equal to something 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is we will be using indexing concept to update the values in the place of, if we consider as list. So what is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? So I want to assign something, change the value of 0, the index, to something called 6, like this. So how can we update the list elements? You can simply use square brackets, and using the indexing concept, you can simply update the values. When I try to print, so okay, I'm updating this and I'm printing A, and you can see guys, the output has been changed to something 6, 2, 3, 4. Initially it was 1, 2, 3, 4, so I updated a 0th index to the something value called 6. So output has been displayed as 6, 2, 3, 4. Then how can we update the dictionary elements? So dictionary elements also uses square brackets only, but instead of index, this index, we will be going to use the key. Okay, let me show with an example. I have a dictionary called A and something we have value called like this. wait a minute, okay, 1, and I am assigning C, and comma 2, and I'm assigning something Python, and I have another key value pair that is 3, and I'm passing another value called something Java. Yeah, this is my dictionary. When I run this program, you can see the output something called dictionary has been displayed. So let me update the something value 3 value to something. I want to change this Java to something another programming language, that is C#. Then how can I do? So simply you can do a of what is the key present. I mean, you want to change the Java, right? So this is the value. Then what is the key value present of the Java? It is called as 3. So I want to change the key, I mean this key value, to something called, I want to change the C#. Okay, and when I run this, you can see output called something changed. You can see previously it was shown as 3 Java, now it has been updated as 3 C#. So okay, and let me take another example also. Something we have numbers, dictionary name, I mean I mentioned this is a variable name that is numbers, and I am assigning another dictionary to it, like something anyone, comma T2. Okay, like this. We have 2 values in it, so that is 1 and 2, and let me delete and let me print dictionary. So when I run this program, you can see output has been displayed as a dictionary, and I want to change something, this 2 value, I mean this 2 to something 3. So how can I do that? Just to call the dictionary. So that is I'm calling dictionary, that is numbers, and put square brackets, and in square brackets you must specify the key for which you want to change the value. So what value I want to change? I want to change the 2 value. So what is the key present for the 2? The key present is 2. So just copy this and just place here and change the value. What value must be you want to change? I want to change that 2 to something called 3. So when I run this, you can see output. This previously it was 2, now it was been shown as 2 3. So this is the way how can you update the dictionary elements. Okay, I think you are getting. And coming to the next one, that is add new key value pair. Just recently we seen only the updating the elements of dictionary, means we having a dictionary and we just updating the values. So how can we add a new key value pair? Means you can also use this concept only. Suppose I want to, this is my dictionary, right? Let me delete this. This is my dictionary, right? I want to now add to another key value, that is 3, like this. Let me show. I want to display output as like this. Okay, means we have a dictionary called 1 2. I want to add this value. How can I add this value without adding like this? So you can use simply, again same concept, you must specify the key in the square brackets. That is, I want to add another key value pair, that is 3. Okay, and I am assigning value called 3. Means you are calling the dictionary and you are putting in square brackets the key, and you are mentioning something value to it. So when I run this program, you can see 3 has been added to the dictionary. Okay, so this is the way how can you add new key value pair. Okay, you can use this example also. This is another example. So coming to the next part, deleting values from a dictionary. Means we have 3 methods mainly, that is del keyword, another we have pop, and another we have pop item. So let us check first del keyword. So yeah, let me run this. Let me copy, Control C. Yeah, guys, this is my dictionary, that is numbers. Now using del keyword, how can I remove the key value pair from the dictionary? I want to delete something, this one, that is 3, or something you can choose 2 or 1. I am choosing 3. I want to delete this one. How can I delete? Simply call del keyword and place a space between, and now enter key. What key, man? I mean, in the square bracket you must specify the key. That is, I want to delete this now. So what is the key present in this? 3. So I am passing 3 as a value in it, like this. And let me write some statement. Before deleting, and I want to show the dictionary something, yeah, dictionary, that is numbers. And another print statement after deleting, that is after deleting. Okay, and I am calling the dictionary numbers. So when I run this program, you can see output, okay, cannot delete literal. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, sorry guys, I didn't call the dictionary, right? So what is the dictionary? That is numbers. Yeah, that is the mistake I have done. So when I run this program, you can see the output, name numbers is not defined. Numbers is not defined. Sorry guys, here double equal to was placed. So when I run this program, you can see something. Before deleting, we have the dictionary values as 1 and 2, another 3. So after deleting, you can see 1 has been there and 2 has been there, 3 has been deleted. So simply you can use this example. Means you must use a del keyword and you must call the dictionary name, and in the dictionary, after calling the dictionary name, you must put square brackets. In square brackets you must specify the key, not the index. Remember that. Okay, this is the first method, that is del keyword. Using del keyword, you can simply delete the key value pairs. Also you can use this del keyword by means you can delete old before delete. I mean, you can delete all dictionary, means you can see now. Yeah, before deleting we have 1 2 3. So when I, after using this statement, I'm just not specifying any square brackets, any key in it. So I'm simply calling the dictionary name and del keyword. Using numbers, you can delete all dictionary at a time. Means it is showing the error because after we are writing that statement, after that the dictionary has been deleted. That's why it is telling that name error, name numbers is not defined. Means it is telling that numbers has been not present in the memory because we have deleted here. Okay, coming to the next method, that is pop method. As you can see, pop method, the syntax has been dict.pop of key and default value. It consists of two arguments. First one is key and second one is default. And default, you can, it is optional, you can use or you cannot use. So let me show with an example here only. So we have called a dictionary d equal to something, this dictionary, and when I try to print d.pop1, it will be going to return the value present. I mean, value has been deleted. Let me show. Yeah, I'm using, okay, before deleting numbers we have this, and I'm using here pop method. Now I'm calling dictionary. I'm using print statement again, print statement, and in that I am calling the dictionary. What is dictionary? Our numbers. And we are using pop method now, so I'm calling the pop method. In pop method, I will be having two arguments. First argument is key and second argument is optional, that is you can put anything statement you can wish. So I'm passing, I'm ignoring the second argument. So I want to remove something, this one. Okay, I'm passing the key. So what is the key? only 1. Okay, and it will be going to return the what has been deleted from the dictionary. So it will be going to display this one as output. Okay, let me show the output also. Yeah, before deleting we have these elements, and after deleting we have only 2 and 3 because pop method will be going to return deleted element in the dictionary. Okay, that is this small thing. It will be good. It is similar to the del keyword only, but it will be going to return what has been deleted from the dictionary. Okay, and suppose if I specify something called 5 5 key is not present in our dictionary. So when I run this program, you can definitely see that key error because it is not present in dictionary. So in that case, you can use another argument, that is second argument, what it is called default. In default place, that is second argument, you can mention something value, means this key is, if key is not present, you can simply write this key is not present in, this key not present in dictionary. Okay, in dictionary means whenever the key is not present in the dictionary, then this statement will be executed. So if I run this program, you can see the 5 has been not there in our dictionary now. In previous case, I have nothing in the second argument, so that is why it is going to throw error. So when I run this, now you can see before deleting we have 1 2 3, and after deleting also 1 2 3, and I have deleted, I have used pop statement to delete 5 because 5 is not present. That is why it will be going to the run this second argument in the pop statement, that is this key not present in the dictionary. So when I remove this, then definitely it will be going to throw the error. Okay, so you doesn't want to show any error, you can use simply second argument and like this. Okay, yeah, this is about the pop method. And another method, that is pop item. This is very simple, guys. Pop item will be going to delete last key value pair present in the dictionary. Means when I call numbers and when I try pop item method, and in that I am not specifying any value, means when I run print statement, I want to display the numbers. And guys, I was forgetting about the pop item also. It will also going to show the key value, means it will be going to the return the key value which was which was deleted from the dictionary. So when I put this also in print statement, it will be going to return the output as what has been deleted from the list, from the dictionary. So guys, I'm using numbers.pop item. So what is the element, what is the key value present at the last of the dictionary, that is 3. So when I use pop item, it will be going to delete the last item present in the dictionary, and it will be going to return that element. So when I run this program, you can see this element has been deleted from the dictionary. That is why I'm in the first print statement, I am using pop item. So it will be going to return the what item has been deleted from the dictionary. And after deleting the 3, you can see 1 2 has been present. So when I run this statement, let me copy, Control C. Yeah guys, in the first print statement, it will be going to delete 3 and it will be going to return. And in the second print statement, it will be going to delete this 2 and it will be going to return that. And in third print statement, it will be going to delete this 1 and it will be going to return that. And when I try to print that dictionary after operation of 3 pop items, what it will be going to show, it will be going to show the empty dictionary, because we have used 3 key value pairs and we have used 3 pop items methods. So when I run this, see, firstly it is deleted 3, then 2, then 1, and after that we will be not having any value, so it will be going to the empty dictionary. So that is about the pop item, because you can have a description here. Removes and returns the last inserted key value pair in the dictionary. Okay, coming to the next part, retrieve dictionary keys and values. We have special 2 methods, that is keys and values. Okay, I want to print keys present in my dictionary. What is my dictionary? That is numbers. Okay, numbers. So I want to display only keys in my dictionary. So you can use simply numbers and keys method like this. Okay, I'm calling my dictionary, that is numbers, and I'm using dot, and I'm calling keys method. Means keys method will be going to return the keys, whatever keys present in the dictionary. So when I run this program, you can see something, it is going to display the list of items, that is 1 2 3. So this 1 and this 2 and these 3 are called as keys. As you can see, these are keys, these are keys, and this is also keys. So similarly, we have something called values also. You can simply call dictionaries, that is numbers, and values method like this. and this values method will be going to deliver, I mean it will be going to return the values, that is 1 and that is 2 and that is 3. So when I run this program, you can see in first we have dictionary keys and in second we have dictionary values. So that is the specialty of keys and values method. And coming to the next part, multi-dimensional dictionary. What is meant by multi-dimensional dictionary? We will be presenting a dictionary in another dictionary. So we have, okay, wait a minute, let me copy this example. Okay, yeah, sorry guys, wait a minute. Yeah, let me copy this. Yeah, let me delete these all things. Yeah, we have something called these 3 dictionary values. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, I have a dictionary called A1 with the name John and age 25, marks 80. Okay, 3 key value pairs, and another dictionary A2 and another dictionary A3, as you can see. So what is mean by multi-dimensional dictionary? Means we will be presenting one dictionary in the another dictionary. So how can we achieve that? Yeah, I am creating another dictionary, something called details. Okay, something details, and I'm using curly braces. In that I am assigning each and every person as a unique number. I'm passing 1 and I'm putting colon, and I'm passing A1 first dictionary, and I'm putting comma, and same similarly 2 and calling A2 and putting comma and 3 and A3. As you can see guys, we have dictionary A1, A2, A3 individual dictionaries as like shown here, and I am creating another dictionary called that is details. In that details I am passing these three dictionaries as a values like this A1, A2, A3, and I am assigning unique key that is 1 and 2 and 3. So when I want to run, I want to show the details dictionary, that is I want to display the details. So when I run this, you can see something, it has been created like this. See, the whole dictionary has been created. In that we will be having key as a 1, and we will be having value as name John, age 25, marks 80, and another key value pair as 2 and value as another dictionary that is A2. Okay, so when I want to access something details of I want to access the second key. What is the key present in the second one? That is 2 only. You can see here what is the key present, so that is 2, and I want to access second, what is the age of that second person. So in that what is the key present, age now, so I am passing age. So when I run this program, you can see output has been shown as 23. So what I was done, I am calling a dictionary that is details, and I am passing 2. Why I am passing 2? The key present at 2, I want to access that element. So what I want to access exactly, I want to access age. So in this again second square bracket I am using age, so then only it will be going to show the output as 23. Okay, and so this is the example of multi-dimensional dictionary. And coming to the next part, these are some dictionary methods. So let us go one by one. So what is meant by clear method? Removes all the elements from the dictionary. Suppose let us take this example only, something called A1. I have A1 dictionary like 3 key value pairs, that is name John, age 25, marks 80. So I want to clear that dictionary. I want to clear empty. So I want to empty now. So I am calling my dictionary name that is A1. I am using clear method like this. So when I run this program, you can see none. It is showing none because it will be going to return none value. Let me write here. So when I want to run the program like this, so I want to display my dictionary after the clear statement. When I run this, you can see it is going to show the empty dictionary. Means clear method will be going to remove all the elements from the dictionary. So what is another method, that is copy. Returns a copy of the dictionary. Means it will be shallow copy, and let us take something here, copy, copy, and I am creating another. I want to name another, that is A2. So I have a dictionary, say, I mean initially that is A1, and I want a copy of that A1 to something another dictionary that is A2. So you can see something A2. I'm running this program, so you can see another copy has been made, created for A2. So when I update something, wait a minute. So I was telling that it will be going to create a copy of the original dictionary na. So when I want to change the original dictionary value, something name, I want to change that name something to called as Sham. I want to change that it's John to something Sham. So when I run A1, I'm printing first dictionary A1 and I'm printing second dictionary A2. So I am changing the value for the original dictionary and I am doing nothing to the second dictionary. So when I try to print both the dictionary, you can see name Sham, age 25, marks 80. This is first dictionary, so I changed the value. Okay, that is something John name, John to Sham. I was changed in the first dictionary, and in the second dictionary I am doing nothing, and it will be going to the show the error, I mean show the output as name John. Means it has already created a copy. As you can see, we have created a copy, because whenever I do changes to the original dictionary, it won't be applicable to the copied dictionary, that is A2. Okay, so this is the case where we can use copy method. From keys returns a dictionary with the specified keys and values. Means suppose I have a dictionary called something like this. Let me change. Yeah, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is something I will be mentioning as keys, like this keys. And let me delete this. I have a value called something, I want to assign something intense, only intense, and let me delete this. Yeah, see guys, I have a case something called 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and a value called something like this. So what is the use of from keys? Let me show. We have a let me create a variable something d equal to dict. I'm calling dict constructor method, and I'm calling another method called from keys method, like this, from keys. And in that it will be going to accept two arguments. First value is key and second value is values. That is, we will be having this keys, copy this, I mean pass this keys as a first argument, and second argument pass as value. And when I want to display this D as an output, let us see what will be going to happen here. Yeah, when I run this, you can see this some output has been displayed. That is, it has assigned 1 2 3 4 as a key and value as intense. Means it will be going to assign value to the all the keys present in the this keys. Okay, and that is the use of that from keys. And coming to the next method, get. We have seen the get method, and now we want to see items method. Returns a list containing a tuple for each key value pairs. So okay, let us come to the previous example. Yeah, I have a dictionary that is A1 only. I want to display the output as items, that is A1 dot items. I'm calling my dictionary, I'm passing another method, I mean I'm accessing a method called items method, and I am doing nothing. And when I run this, you can see it is going to show the output as list of key value pairs. See, name John, another key value in the tuple, and another key value as a tuple, another key as a tuple. So what is the main use of items method? It will be going to containing a tuple for each key value pairs. Okay, and we have seen keys method, and we also seen pop method, pop item, also set default. So what is set default? Let me show you. So let me create a dictionary, something called something okay, let us consider that only. Yeah, I have a dictionary called A1. So when I try to print something, a1 dot set default. I'm calling my dictionary and set default. So I'm passing a name here, and the default value as something key not present. If name is not present, key is not present, means I'm passing a key here. If it is not present in my dictionary, it will be going to show this as output, that is key is not present. So when I run this, I'm putting this all thing in my print statement only. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'm cutting this, I'm pasting in the print my statement. Yeah, you can see the output has been shown as John. Why it is showing the John as output? The name present at the key, the value is called as John. So when I change this something capital N, as you can see, this name is not present in my dictionary, right? So when I run this program, you can see output as key is not present. So okay, it will be not showing the error when you specify this value something in the second argument. It will be going to run, but it will be not throwing any error. So when I remove this default statement like this, I'm just not giving anything value, I'm just passing single value, that is key, and this name is not present in my dictionary, right? So let us run. What will be going to show the, means it is also not going to show the error, but it will be going to display as none. So when I run this program, I mean when I want to display my dictionary A1, when I run this, you can see the name has been added to my dictionary and the value assigned to is none. Okay, so what is the main use of set default method? Means if the key present, then it will be going to automatically shows the value. If the key is not present, if you mention the default value, then that default value will be going to show the output. Means here I am mentioning something called I'm mentioning here key is not present, default value key is not present. Okay, so in this case the name on the dictionary won't add this name to the my dictionary, because I am specifying something value here, that is key is not present. Means this name is will be, if it is not present, then it will be going to show this output. Okay, when I run this, you can see the name is added, that is the value is key is not present. So whenever you specify something value here, that value will be going to add to the dictionary. So when I remove this, simply when I remove this, it will be going to simply add this name to the dictionary if it is not present, and it the default value I didn't mention nothing now, so that is why it is going to add none as value. Okay, like this, that is the use of set default. So coming to the next method, that is values. You also know the values also. It will be going to show the values, that is a dot values, called the values method. As we also seen in previous, let me show once again. So it will be going to show the output as list of values like this: John 2580, that is John first value, second value 25, third value is 80. So this is all about dictionary type. So I have covered all the things. If anyone wants to learn dictionary type, I collected all the information about that and I have gathered here. So that's all about this dictionary type. So in next video we will be going to see set type. So this is the next video, will be last video which when we consider Python data types. Okay, after that video we will be jumping into another topic. So stay tuned for more videos guys, and thank you, see you.